We're going to be doing a Profhilo treatment for you. So Profhilo is a hyaluronic acid treatment, and it's small molecules of hyaluronic acid that aren't held together at all. So we inject it just underneath the skin, quite close to the surface, and we normally do a couple of injection points on the upper part of the face and a couple down on the lower part of the face. And what happens is that hyaluronic acid then spreads out through the skin. So each injection site spreads to about 4 centimeters. And what happens then is over a period of a couple of months, you get lots of collagen and elastin stimulation. So you'll get really nice improvements to skin quality, to the firmness of the skin, and it also draws moisture and hydrates the skin as well. So it's a really nice alternative to hyaluronic acid fillers, where it goes very well alongside other injectable treatments. So we normally do 2 or 3 sessions with about a month in between each one. And then in the long run for maintenance, it's normally just single session every 6 months to maintain.